Today we are going to learn concatenate function in Excel. First of all, what is concatenate function? The concatenate function allows you to join two or more text strings into one single string. These can be incredibly useful for creating full names, addresses and more. The syntax of this concatenate function is equal to concatenate, open the bracket, text1, comma, text2 and so on. This is the formula for concatenate function. In this concatenate formula, you can input text directly or refer to cell references where your text is stored. Let's see one example. I have already opened one Excel sheet and already I have taken one example. Let's see how it works. Equal to concatenate, open the bracket, A1, A2, comma, double quote, space, double quote, comma, B2. Close the bracket, then hit enter. Like that only. Equal to concatenate, open the bracket, A3, comma, double quote, space, double quote, comma, B3. Then hit enter. That's it. Select these two and click here, and that's it. We have explored the concatenate function, a valuable tool for combining text strings in spreadsheets. Thanks for watching and see you next time.